Hey folks, it's John. I'm back here at this pool deck that we built here. It's all made out of pressure treated lumber. And just show you some of the features here. Of course, you want to have a pool gate in place. Make sure that no unwanted guests get onto your pool. And notice we have a little key lock here. Pretty easy to use. Gotta unlock it first. There we go. Little hasp. Open it up. Here we are at the steps. So let's take a look to see how this looks now. Notice there's a handrail all the way around it. Make sure no one falls off. Of course, if you want to go into the pool, you'll just come up here and dive in. There's the pool. It's an above ground pool made by Intex. Pool's about a 9 foot by 18. Looks like it needs a little bit of cleaning. Here's a nice little addition to the pool. This pool used to have one of those A-frame ladders that the legs come out on the ground and then go into the pool. And here, this ladder came from Amazon. It was about $150 for this ladder. And it's all plastic. And actually, it's very sturdy. It has a 300-pound capacity. So we were able to assemble that. And then we screwed it down to the deck so that now you have a ladder to go up and down. So this is what this complete job looks like. There is one addition we're going to do here, and that's going to be to put some solar lights on top of these 4x4 posts. They're down here on the bottom of the staircase. We also did put a concrete pad down. It's just nice to walk off a set of stairs onto some concrete so that you have a solid surface and you're not going to get a lot of water and mud, that type of thing around the deck. The last thing we did was we added some pea gravel. Just to let you know, on this pea gravel, you can see this pool here, it said it was a 9 by 18. And what you're seeing here with pea gravel, they call it pea pebble, pea gravel. This is 20 bags. Bags are a half of a cubic feet. They're basically about 25 pounds per bag. Now you'll notice this black material underneath. So you can see it's a very thin layer. It's only about 1 inch. The material underneath, that's to prevent weeds from growing. So that was laid down first, and then we put the pea gravel over top of it. We're short a few bags. So next time around, I would say probably another 6 bags, maybe as many as 10, will do the job with a nice thick layer of pea gravel. So in a pool this size, I would recommend between 25 and 30 bags of pea gravel. But anyway, there you go. Pool's ready, set up, and pretty soon the kids will be over to take a swim.